welcome back to my kitchen, tiny house kitchen. I am cooking some cornbread. So I know I'm gonna have leftovers tomorrow. So I'm filming this on Sunday and I'm cooking the beans and cornbread, and it's in the oven right now, in the toaster oven. So we're having beans and cornbread tonight on Sunday, and then we're gonna have leftovers. So this is really leftovers. But want to finish that cornbread. And if we don't finish the cornbread, it's gonna go into the next day. It's gonna be chilly. It's gonna be colder here. It's gonna be a little chilly here on Tuesday and Wednesday. And so I'm gonna make some chili that goes with the cornbread. I still have leftover beans. I'll either throw them in there or we'll have them on the side. And I need to take out the ground beef tomorrow for the chili, so I will do that. I have some in the freezer. So Wednesday, I'm sure we're gonna have leftovers of the chili. I bought some Fritos to have Frito pie, and I never made that. I've been kind of off on my meal plans. I catch a couple of them, or 3 of them, and then I don't get the other one. So I'm gonna have some repeats coming up. I need to use some stuff in my chest freezer before we head out to Quartzsite, and so I gotta start using that stuff. So, and as I say that, I'm gonna go buy some chicken. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do is, here at our local grocery store, they have the chicken, a whole fryer for 99 cents. So what I think I'm gonna do is actually buy 2 of them and cook back to back in the crock pot. One day I'll cook one chicken, then the next day I'll cook the other one. And I'm gonna use most of it in this week. And if I really don't do that, if I don't follow the plan and I don't do that, then I am going to vacuum seal it, put it in the freezer, and take it with me to Quartzsite. And that's what I'm going to do with the other whole chicken too. So I like to kind of prepare to go to Quartzsite, because when you go to the local grocery stores there, things are pretty expensive. So I like to take my meat in the freezer, and maybe if I need to supplement with salads or cheese or things like that, I buy locally. I try to buy locally, but usually I'll take the meat. And so my RV freezer is almost cleaned out, and I still have to I have to defrost it. So that's on my list to do. So I'm gonna defrost it so I can prepare to take items to Quartzsite with me, like meats. So I'm gonna be stocking my freezer and getting prepared for that. So anyway, I do want to cook a chicken in the crock pot, and I have those flavored rice packets, and it's chicken flavored. So I have some of that I need to use up. So I'm gonna have chicken and cook one of those rice packets. And then of course I'll have leftovers. Deborah doesn't eat a lot of rice, so I will have leftovers, and we'll have leftover chicken. So that'll finish part of the chicken anyway, and all of the rice. Then I was just thinking chicken enchiladas. And this, what was I just thinking? I was just thinking I might skip this and do something else, and now I can't remember. Anyway, the chicken wontons, I never made those, so I have the cabbage. I bought the cabbage to do it, and the wontons. There's a lot of wonton wrappers, because I did actually make some cream cheese wontons in the air fryer. I don't think I showed that, but they were really good. And those wonton wrappers are only about that big, So I do want to go ahead and do that, so I could use some of this chicken for that too. Now, if I do the chicken enchiladas, I need to buy some green sauce. So I have on my shopping list only 2 things: chicken and verde sauce. And the only thing I need to get out of the freezer is the ground beef for the chili. So that is my meal plan for this upcoming week. Put in the comments below what you're planning on eating this week, if you follow a meal plan or if you don't, and share some recipes. And I will see you in the next video.